Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a Chrysler 300 in GTA 5 online. First, you will need to acquire the perfect base vehicle. The Albany Primo is an excellent choice, offering a strong resemblance to the real-life Chrysler 300. You can purchase this sedan from the Southern San Andreas Super Autos website for a low price of just $9,000. Once acquired, take your new Primo directly to Benny's Original Motorworks to begin its transformation. Now, let's focus on the exterior to capture that iconic Chrysler 300 presence. At Benny's, explore various grille options to find one that best mimics the bold front fascia. Consider a sophisticated two-tone paint scheme, perhaps a deep black with chrome accents, to truly stand out. Custom wheels, like large chrome 5-spoke designs, will complete the luxurious look. Don't forget window tints and a custom exhaust for a polished finish. Beyond aesthetics, performance and interior comfort are key. Upgrade your engine, transmission, and brakes to ensure your custom Primo drives as powerfully as it looks. A custom suspension will allow you to achieve that signature low, aggressive stance. Inside, select luxurious interior trims and dashboard options to replicate the Chrysler's upscale feel. Personalize further with a custom steering wheel and seat colors for a truly unique ride. With your modifications complete, it's time for the final touches. Consider adding a custom license plate to truly make your vehicle one of a kind. Remember to save your newly customized Primo in your personal garage to ensure all your hard work is preserved. Now, take your impressive Chrysler 300 replica for a spin around the streets of Los Santos. Enjoy showcasing your unique and powerful custom build to your friends in GTA 5 online.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.